Hey team! In this video, we will guide you through the steps to set up and install your new Toast Flex 3 hardware. The Toast Flex 3 was designed to be versatile and meet the ever-changing needs of your business. This new device can be used as a counter stand, a kitchen display screen, a kiosk, and more. Let's review how to install a Flex 3 display with a Wedge. This setup is ideal for the back of house. Looking for another device or setup option? Use the buttons on screen to navigate to our other install videos. We will be showing several common configurations with the display, but if you do not see your specific setup, check out our installation resources on Toast Central or the installation guide included in your hardware kit. You can also find a QR code to scan on each device with up-to-date resources as well. Let's get started. If you are using a standalone display, in the box you will find the Flex 3 display, 4 thumb screws, zip ties, a screwdriver, an Ethernet cable, and a power supply with a power cord. If you are using the printing hub with your display, the power and Ethernet cables will come with your printer. Begin with the Flex 3 display face down on a flat, clean surface. On the back of the display, remove the cable cover. Using the screwdriver provided in the display box, unscrew the 2 screws on the cable stay. If you are using the display without the printing hub, plug the orange USB power cable attached to the power supply into the orange port on the display and screw in the thumb screw for a secure connection. Plug the yellow Ethernet cable into the yellow Ethernet port. If you intend to use your display with the Toast printing hub, connect the orange end of the Power Plus cable to the display, but don't connect it to the printer just yet. Open the back cover of the printer and connect the orange power adapter to the orange port on the printer. Connect the yellow Ethernet cable to the yellow Ethernet in port on the printer. Feed the cables into the slots in the back of the display and screw down the cable stay, ensuring the cables are secure in each slot. Snap the cable cover back on the display, covering the ports. Now, unbox your wedge base, including the 4 thumb screws that come with the display. Feed your cables and power supply through the hole in the base. Align the base so that the 4 mount holes align with the 4 posts on the back cover, and the opening below aligns with the cable ports on the back of the display. Then, use the 4 thumb screws to screw the base to the display. Flip the display and base over, placing the assembly with rubber pads face down. Finally, plug the Ethernet and power supply cables into their respective outlets. Then connect the Power Plus cable into the printer. To power on the display, press the orange power button on the back of the screen for 3 seconds. You will know the device is powering on when the LED begins to blink white and the Toast logo appears. If you need to connect additional hardware, you can do this on the side of the device or to the Toast printing hub. Finish your install by following the prompts when the screen powers on to complete the Toast Flex 3 display setup. Congratulations! Your Toast hardware is now set up and ready to go. Check out the next videos in our Flex 3 series, troubleshooting your Flex 3 and troubleshooting your printing hub if you run into any issues. And as always, up-to-date resources are also available on Toast Central.